This system automatically adapts the headlights according to the driving conditions to maintain optimal lighting for the driver without disturbing other road users. To set this up, please use the settings menu on the touchscreen. Choose Vehicle, then Vehicle Lighting. The settings chosen remain memorized when the vehicle's motor is switched off. When the system is deactivated, it automatically switches to automatic lighting control mode. To activate or deactivate the function, place the lighting mode selection ring on auto. You don't need to do anything else. Your Peugeot will now automatically manage lighting according to your speed and weather conditions, whether you're in town, on a motorway, or on a country road. The system manages the various situations so that your visibility and security are always optimized, without other road users ever being dazzled.